Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you all how to paint these flowers. Now they look kind of like hibiscus flowers. Now the trick to paint these is that you need a fan brush. Now I'm using a simple fan brush for this. You can use a wider or a thinner fan brush as well. That's not a problem. As long as you have a fan brush, you'll be able to make these kind of um, squarish strokes that I'm using to make the petals. Now you can paint about 5 to 6 petals on each flower. You just gotta start from the middle and then go towards the edge of the flower with your brush and kind of try to make an oval shape. Oval but kind of narrow in the center and broader towards the edge. Just keep this basic shape in mind. Also, I'm using this kind of faint lilac pink shade. I just think that it's such a pretty pastel shade, and I wanted to go with something faint and light and delicate to make this one. So I'm just going with these light shades. I have used crimson and I've mixed a lot of white in it to get this particular shade. It's really simple. I haven't added any other color to it. Now, if you've understood the basic structure, we can just skip and paint the rest of the flowers. Now to make the center of the flower, I'm using this light purple shade. I am also going to make the darker areas of the flowers with it. I feel like this purple goes really well with the lilac of the flowers. Again, I'm kind of starting in the middle and going outwards. I've mixed crimson, blue and white to get this shade. Let's go ahead and paint the rest of the flowers in the same way once we're happy with the kind of shading that we want. Now I'm just going in and painting the center of the flowers once again with the same shade, just kind of darkening it to make it a little more visible. Let's go ahead and paint the leaves now. I'm using the basic green color to paint these. I'm really not going to do anything or use any other color to kind of shade the leaves because I just wanted to keep it simple, and the texture of these paints is so nice that the shading kind of happens by itself. Wherever the paint is a little more, the areas just look darker, so I kind of liked this kind of shading that I was just getting naturally, so I felt like I should just keep it that way. I am once again using the fan brush because I just thought it was going really well with the theme of the entire painting. Again, I am sort of making oval shaped leaves, and they just have kind of pointy endings. And with that, we have completed our cute little painting. Do like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and meet you all next time.